YesM honest review watch before using. Most travelers don't realize how much money they waste on roaming fees until they see the bill. And that's where YesM ESIM comes in with a surprisingly simple solution. YesM is a digital ESIM service that lets you activate mobile data plans on your phone without using physical SIM cards. You download the app, choose a data plan, scan a QR code, and your phone connects to local networks in minutes. Here's what most people get wrong. They think ESIMs are complicated. In reality, YesM is designed to be fast and simple, even for first-time users. YesM offers data plans in over 100 countries, making it especially useful for international travelers, digital nomads, and remote workers. You can choose country-specific plans, regional plans, or even global plans depending on your travel needs. The biggest advantage is cost control. Instead of paying unpredictable roaming fees, you prepay for a data package and use it as needed. This can save hundreds of dollars on long trips. However, the surprising truth is that YesM does not replace your regular phone number. It is for mobile data, not calls or texts, unless you use internet-based calling apps. YesM works best for travelers who rely on maps, messaging apps, booking services, and social media while abroad. It is also useful as a backup connection in case your main SIM fails. The surprising truth is that modern travel is much easier when your internet works instantly after landing. No searching for SIM kiosks, no paperwork, no long lines. If you want stress-free data while traveling, YesM is one of the easiest solutions available today. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews and smart money-saving tips.